Hey everyone, it's Rich from Cambridge Center Honda. Once again, here to talk about another Friday Frenzy deal. Now this week, I want to talk about an ongoing sale that we have on our genuine Honda replacement batteries. So for the entire month of February, we've had our batteries on sale for 15% off. There's only a few more days left in the month. So I really wanted to show everyone and tell everyone about our battery sale that we've got going on. 15% off our genuine Honda replacement batteries. They come with a 5-year prorated warranty, so 60 months, fantastic. If your vehicle's having a tough time starting, you know, come on down to our express service and our guys will do a free battery check for you. If your battery needs to be replaced, we've got batteries in stock. We can get you back up and running without an issue. So that's what this one's all about this week, is highlighting our battery sale that's been going on since the start of February. It ends at the end of the month, so just a few days away. We'd love to be able to put a brand new Honda battery in your Honda and keep you going for the rest of the winter. Thanks so much, everyone.